there anyone here that want to make big money? Then join T-Systems Big Data Challenge. I think all of you know, in big data there is big money. And then why is that so simple? It's all about discovering value in the data today. Yeah? People are carrying loads of data in their archives, in their data centers, and we see many examples now occurring around the world how value can be discovered in this data. And the beauty of this is that it can scale so easily. If you once get an algorithm right, if you once get an application that does this value creation for you, you can basically sell it everywhere, right? So this is what we try to support, also to show to young innovators, young entrepreneurs, how they can scale their ideas and how they can make maybe a global service instead of a local service available within months. And I think the past experience that we have relates very much to the other speakers. We are also in the contest since many years, and for us the last years have shown that really we are from ideas in the very early contest. I think now that we have a much more established competition, we see that people are really thinking about the business that they can create with it and participating in the competition also to make that business aware to the rest of the world. And a very good example, 3 years ago, a winner of our competition was Earthcast, a Canadian company that wanted to install video cameras on the ISS space station. And we said, wow, are they crazy? But they did, actually, and the service is up and running since 1 year, and they don't publish how much money they are making, but I guess they are making quite a bit of money because it's a real unique service that you can book for also professional applications. And another very good example was last year's winner from a very different area, a very small SME in Germany that resulted from a university that developed over the years a very special database architecture, so-called multi-array databases, which are excellent for analyzing geodata. This idea was so tremendous that we said we have to bring this also not only as our winner, but we have to bring it amongst our customers. T-Systems having, of course, a lot of industry customers. So what happened is that actually now from the last months, I can tell you that this company, we have brought them in contact with 5 of our key customers. They are now running pilots, and since they needed a very significant infrastructure to do that, we provided that in our data center, free of charge, because this company normally would have never been able to afford that for a short-term period, and let these, say, customers recognize what is the value of this database architecture. And I can tell you some first results, what we run on existing customer data, an analysis which usually took 4 days, it was done within 1 second with this tool. Incredible. So these are the things that you really have to show to customers. They have to experience it before they believe it. Yeah, you know IT, it always promises a lot. But these are the things that can happen from the competition. Yeah? Bringing people together, really showing the results in a practical case. So for this year, our Big Data Challenge, building on this experience, we want to make it even more practical than in the last years. So we have a very special challenge. We had a long discussion with Thorsten and friends about it, how to organize it. It's not that easy, because within a time frame of 3 or 4 months, what we actually want to do is not only to collect ideas, but to give those people that apply for this challenge 6 weeks' time to run them, to run the ideas, and to run them in our data center with a certain tool set that will be available free of charge, so they can really then show that the idea is not only good, but the wow effect, yeah, in terms of an application or in terms of a customer experience. So this will be the challenge for us to manage, but also I think it will be a great challenge for those people participating to really, say, go that extra mile and show the result. And then, of course, we will select out of those results the best one to the winners. So, join us.